Hello everyone, in front of me is POCO C75 and let me show you how to clear browsing data. At first open the browser that you are using, then tap on more icon and mark delete browsing data. And here you can make some quick setup and delete it, or you can click on more options and access a bit more options here. So here you can, for example, leave safe passwords or mark them if you want to delete. And then it's all the same with any other option here, like site settings, auto from data, and so on. You need to also change the time range, like you don't have to change it, but you have to set it. It can be 15 minutes, last hour, 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time. To perform a full cleanup, you need to mark all time and then just mark delete data once everything is set. And that's it. It has been done. So this is how you can clear browsing data. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.